Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. And this really made me smile. I haven't even opened the box yet. Oh my God. I'm just getting in for my work week. And this is Happy Mail that was waiting for me on my kitchen table. I'm so excited. This is from my friend Mega Rooney. You guys know her as Meg at Chasing Retro. I have called her Mega Rooney since before she even knew Carrie the Paper Monkey. She was one of my she's gonna kill me. She was one of my very first inspirations. I'm not kidding. I loved her work from the very beginning. And guys, I'm telling you right now, I remember the very first time she commented. I was just tickled. I was so tickled. And I still get so much inspiration from Meg, even still to this day. So I'm so glad and so appreciative that she's a part of my junk journal world. And I'm just going to open this box up off camera and we're going to get right into it. If you are not, I can't imagine you would be following me and not following Meg at Chasing Retro, because I do mention her quite a bit. I tag her in a lot of things that she's just inspired me for. But I got to brag on her for a minute. I have watched her. Like I said, from the very beginning, she's always inspired me. I was always so impressed at the way she created. But when I tell you over the past 3 years of me being on YouTube, I have watched her creatively evolve in a way that still leaves me speechless sometimes. And I'm not exaggerating when I tell you that. She and her husband did schematics to an 80s mall for one of her journal sets. I mean, just like over the top creations and extras that I would never even think to do. Like, it's just, it's awe-inspiring. I'm serious. But her eye for fabric and what the knowledge I've been able to get from Meg, because she knows a lot more about fabric than I do, is really, I've benefited from it greatly. Look at these. But yeah, these little bitty pieces right here, that is not a scrap in my eye. This is going to be a cluster. Maybe even this afternoon if I have time. She asked me if I had anything that I needed. I need nothing. But I did tell her that on my wish list, I have trouble. Well, let me back up. That's not even a correct statement. There are times that I'm not able to find greens and oranges in fabrics. And I just don't find a lot of cute things in those color schemes. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my God, Meg. That almost feels like feed sack. I don't think it is, but it sure almost feels like it is. And so that's what I told her. I said, if I had a wish list, I said that would be the kind of stuff that would be on it, because I truly need nothing. I don't need anything. This is gorgeous. This tiny, tiny gingham. This is, Meg, you have just, and I'm going to use this. Look at how fibrous this yarn is. Can you see the detail in that? Meg, thank you so much. Oh my God, thank you so much. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Very soon I'm going to do a wraparound pocket with the handkerchief, and I think it is Meg that I've seen do this. So I need to go back and familiarize myself. Look at how gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. You want to see the oranges? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look. See? Oh yeah. These will become clusters. Look at this orange and green. I'll show you something. We can put this and this together, and this. I just need one more, and what I would probably do is some type of white rickrack, maybe. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have some fun with these, Meg. Look at that one. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Can never go wrong with polka dots. Never go wrong. Look at that. Look how tiny. This is gorgeous. See how different? I just think these, I don't have anything like these, Meg. Thank you. Yeah, nothing like this. Look at the offset squares and it almost looks like snowflakes because they're so, they're not sparkly, but they look like they would. They're variated. The colors are variated on those little dots. Look how cute. Oh, these are perfect. These are absolutely perfect. And yes, I really was. As soon as I walked in the door, I started smiling. Look at this. That's me. That is absolutely me. I'm going to mute this while I open these. Okay, let's take a look at these. I saw her unbox these. Oh my goodness. Meg, you think we can take these apart and use them? This is the base die cut. Use foam adhesives to layer. Yeah, I don't want to mess them up. I'm going to leave it just like it is. That is gorgeous. These are gorgeous. Look at these, y'all. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Look at that. Is that an Anna Griffin? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I don't want to look at these yet. I'm going to save those in a minute. Okay, yellow and orange. Thank you. Thank you. Love this. And look at these, y'all. Colored Rolodex. Now, one of the things I talked to Meg about is one of the things on my wish list was colored Rolodex. She had the best idea. I'm waiting for it to come in. Did y'all know this? Y'all probably knew this. I had no idea. There's an actual paper punch that will do this. I didn't know. I got so excited, I ordered it immediately. In fact, I asked Meg for one of her Amazon links. I'm going to link Meg's Amazon store. Go, if you guys need something from Amazon and Meg has it, please support her if you would, using her Amazon links. I get the biggest kick out when people use my Amazon links. It is, of course it's money, guys, but I want you to know it's more than that. And I think Meg would feel the same way. It's just an affirmation that people appreciate what I do here on YouTube. And it's just so wonderful. I take my Amazon dollars, and I know Meg has mentioned this too. I just take my Amazon dollars that you guys, whenever I get that little commission, I put it right back into something that I then bring and craft here with you guys. So if you would do that. Anyway, I ordered that paper die and I can't wait. We're going to do that on one of my Saturday coffee clatches. I'm telling you, it's coming up. So be on the lookout for that. If you guys follow me, be on the lookout for that. I can't wait because I have a ton of ideas for that paper punch. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh, I've never seen these. And they're white and yellow. But you know what? That would be an excellent Rolodex, when I get that paper punch too. But these are great pockets. How unusual. They're from an insurance company. Oh, Meg, these are cool. Okay, these are awesome. I love colored index cards. Love, 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 love them. And oh, wow. And the graph con. And she tea-dyed some. That's so cool. Look at this. Look at this one's dyed too. I'm going to have to do more of that. I think I'm going to start experimenting. Yes, I think I am going to start experimenting. These are lovely. This peach color is lovely. And then these are actually perfect for my paper punch that makes a tag. Love them, Meg. Thank you. Okay, take a look at these. Oh, this is so cool. These are cool. Yes, I love them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She found the huge index cards. These are awesome, Mega Rooney. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, we'll go through. I'm going to pull this over here. Careless Carrie. I love it. I love that. Oh, and look at how pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. She sent me some fabric tags she made. I love it when she sends me her makes because I copy them. I do. I really do. Because then, okay, look. Look, that's just big enough to do that. I love it. It's time. It's time to sit down with some fabric. Look, she sent me the C. I love that. I love these. These retail tags. Can't hardly find them. I can't find them in the at the thrift store. Oh my goodness. Look at that monkey. How cute. Oh, I love that game. The Ungame. All ages. Share a compliment you received recently. A compliment. Oh, okay. So actually this morning I was in the elevator. I'm just coming in from my work week. I was in the elevator at work and I had done a presentation day before yesterday for a group. And in the elevator, somebody that was in that presentation, they told me that I did a wonderful job and that I was a great presenter. I thought that was so sweet. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are all vintage. Look at the Japan Airlines. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look, the pelican for Louisiana. That's our bird. It's our state bird. This is beautiful. Singapore Airlines. Eastern Bluebird. Meg, these are beautiful. Look, the cardinal. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh, I saw her do these. Oh my goodness, Meg, thank you. What game was she playing? Ann Tainter. You know what's so funny? I think I have Ann Tainter postcards. Look at this. Look, y'all. Curtain slip covers. This must be heaven. Yeah, I have some snarky postcards from this company, this brand. These are gorgeous. These are all so gorgeous. Look at this fox. How cute. Look how pretty this gold outline is. This whole scene is beautiful. Look, orange and yellow. It could match the fabric she sent me. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, Meg, thank you for sharing these. These are so fun. These are really cool. Look at how cool these are. These are Japan or Singapore also. I don't know the difference. I'm sorry. And these, I love these. These are fantastic. These are good for my little pattern people to collage on. And then look what she sent me, y'all. Look at the Snoopy box. Snoopy and Woodstock. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, I have never seen this version. I have never seen this version, Meg. Margie. Oh, Meg, this one it's in pristine condition. Do you know? Oh, well, no, but look, but that's okay. I don't mind. I don't mind at all because I can even fussy cut those out. But they're just perfect for they're perfect for everything. They're perfect for everything. A number of different applications. Fussy cut collage. You can make tags. You can, I'm telling you, these are perfect. These are, look at the juggler. Oh, look at that kettle, y'all. How cool. Meg. Oh, look at the monkey. We got a monkey. The school. Look at the green chalkboard. I saw Tracy Hines did a tour of her craft room, and she had a vintage green chalkboard, and it made me want one. You don't see the green ones, huh? Not a lot. I don't have Rumpelstiltskin. I do not have this one. Not in any version. This is fantastic. Oh, look how pretty she is. Oh, this is cool. Meg. Oh my goodness, thank you for sharing this. I don't know that I've ever seen a little golden Rumpelstiltskin. I mean, I'm sure they exist. They obviously exist. But out of all the little goldens I have, I don't have this one. Look how pretty her colors are. Oh, this is fantastic. Thank you so much, Meg. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. This is fabulous. These pages are fabulous. This is from a construction company. I love them. Yep. Love this. You would think around as many vendors and things that I work that do the trades, I would at least know somebody that had these, but I don't. These are all vintage. I wonder, I guess that everybody's gone to online or, do it on their computer, but these are beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to use those. Look at these bags. These are so fun, Meg. Look at this. Oh, for the front of a journal. How beautiful is that? Have you seen Meg's House and Home journal she's doing right now? Oh, y'all, they're so cool. And now look at the paper. Oh, she sent me fleur-de-lis and monkeys. I've never seen this. Oh, Meg, that's so cool. But this one is too. I love this. Oh, my goodness. What a wonderful way to be greeted coming home from a long work week. It was good. It was good. It was a good week. But it was just kind of, it's work. That's why they call it work, right? I'd much rather be here crafting than working. I'd much rather be a lottery winner, actually. But she's not in the cards, right? No, I'm very, very blessed. I'm not complaining in any way. Meg, I just can't even begin to tell you how perfect this box is. Thank you so much, my friend, for inspiring me over the past 3 years, for sharing with me over the past 3 years. I think the very first Happy Mail I ever received, I'd have to go back and verify this. I really think it was from you, Meg. I think so. If I find it, I'll try to link it so you guys can see. She's just been generous the whole time, and it's just so fun. Thank you again, my friend. Thank you all very much for coming along for this Happy Mail. I do appreciate each and every one of you, and I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it brings you as much joy as this box of Happy Mail has brought me and will continue to bring me as I make with it. Thanks, guys, and we'll chat soon. Bye.